Did you know that Istanbul Airport, the colossal gateway straddling Europe and Asia, handles over 200 million passengers a year and boasts the world's largest terminal under a single roof? That's right, this isn't just a stopover spot, it's a sprawling metropolis in the sky where ancient echoes meet futuristic vibes, and one wrong turn could turn your layover into an unintended marathon. Picture this. You step off the plane into a whirlwind of fence, freshly baked simit bread mingling with the aroma of strong Turkish coffee, all under ceilings that soar like the domes of historic mosques. Istanbul Airport isn't your average transit hub. It's a vibrant prelude to the city's timeless allure. Opened in 2018 as a bold replacement for the old Ataturk Airport, it draws from Istanbul's rich tapestry as the crossroads of empires. Once known as Byzantine and Constantinople, the city has been a melting pot for millennia, and this airport captures that essence with its blend of cutting-edge design and nods to Ottoman grandeur. The terminal's architecture, inspired by tulip motifs from Turkish art, creates an atmosphere that's both energizing and exotic, making even a short visit feel like the start of an epic journey. Whether you're arriving for the first time or connecting through, the air buzzes with anticipation, promising adventures in a place where East meets West. But here's the catch. Navigating this behemoth can feel overwhelming. Spanning over 76 million square meters, it's easy to get lost in the labyrinth of gates, security lines, and endless corridors. Many travelers underestimate the sheer scale, leading to rushed connections, missed flights, or exhausting tracks that sap the joy from your trip. Misconceptions abound too. Some think it's just a sterile layover zone, ignoring its hidden treasures, while others dread the multiple security checks as a hassle rather than a safeguard. And in a city with traffic as unpredictable as the Bosphorus currents, getting to or from the airport without a plan can turn excitement into frustration. I've seen seasoned globetrotters sweat over long walks between terminals or fall prey to overpriced exchanges, all because they didn't know the insider tricks. Yet with the right secrets, what seems like a challenge transforms into an opportunity to savor the journey before it even begins. Let's dive into the heart of it, exploring the airport's facets like chapters in a thrilling travel tale. Start with the basics: arrival and navigation. As you deplane, follow the clear signs, multilingual and intuitive, to passport control. If you're from a visa-free country, it's a breeze, but e-visas are quick online for others. Pro tip: download the Istanbul Airport app before landing. It's your digital compass, offering real-time flight updates, gate locations, and even augmented reality maps to guide you through the sprawl. Sensory overload hits in the best way. The hum of conversations in a dozen languages, the gleam of marble floors echoing the opulence of Topkapi Palace, and digital screens flashing departure times like modern-day town criers. History weaves through every corner here. While the airport is ultra-modern, it pays homage to Istanbul's 2,500-year legacy. Stroll past cultural exhibitions showcasing artifacts from the Byzantine era or Ottoman calligraphy, turning wait times into mini history lessons. Imagine standing before a display of ancient mosaics, feeling the weight of empires that once ruled from this very soil. It's insightful. Did you realize Istanbul was the capital of 3 empires: Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman? This context enriches your visit, making the airport a bridge to the city's soul. For cuisine, oh, the delights. Skip generic fast food and seek out authentic Turkish flavors. Head to the food court for gözleme, thin, savory pancakes stuffed with spinach and cheese, grilled fresh and steaming hot. Or indulge in baklava, its layers of phyllo dripping with honey and pistachios, evoking the sweet treats of sultans. Pair it with ayran, a frothy yogurt drink that's refreshingly tangy, perfect for jet lag. These spots aren't just eateries, they're cultural immersions with aromas that transport you to bustling bazaars. Local customs shine in the hospitality. Turks are renowned for their warmth. Strike up a chat with a shopkeeper and you might learn a phrase or two in Turkish, like merhaba for hello, fostering connections that inspire deeper travels. Practically, for shopping, the duty-free area is a paradise, one of the largest globally. Use smart shopping baskets that tally your purchases automatically, or try the magic mirror for virtual try-ons of outfits and makeup, saving time and adding fun. Sensory details abound, the sparkle of gold jewelry reminiscent of the Grand Bazaar, the scent of exotic spices in gourmet shops, and the soft chime of announcements blending with live piano music in lounges. For those with layovers, secrets abound. If you have at least 6 hours, consider a free Turkish Airlines tour of the city, whisked away to see the Blue Mosque's azure tiles, or taste street food by the Golden Horn. Back at the airport, opt for the IGA Pass. It grants fast-track security, buggy rides to gates, no more mile-long hikes, and lounge access where you can unwind with plush seats, complimentary mezes like hummus and olives, and views of planes dancing on the tarmac. Business travelers rejoice in high-speed Wi-Fi and meeting rooms. Families find play areas with slides and puzzles themed around Turkish folklore. Even solo adventurers can retreat to quiet rooms for meditation, surrounded by ambient sounds of waves lapping the Marmara Sea. And for sustainability, the airport's green initiatives like solar panels and water recycling align with mindful travel, inspiring you to explore responsibly. Security is another layer, intense but reassuring. Multiple checks ensure safety, drawing from Istanbul's strategic position amid global tensions. You won't remove liquids or laptops at every point, but patience pays off. Insider hack: arrive early, especially for US-bound flights with extra screenings. Historical tie-in: this vigilance echoes the city's fortified walls from Byzantine times, protecting treasures within. For transport, grab an Istanbul cart from the tourist office upon arrival, loaded for seamless metro rides into town, avoiding taxi scams. The metro zips you to Taksim Square in under an hour, with air-conditioned cars offering glimpses of suburban Istanbul's mosaic neighborhoods. Now for the climax, the golden moment that captures it all. Let me share a personal story from my years filming travel docs. On a foggy morning layover, I wandered off the beaten path to the airport's library, a serene nook tucked amid the chaos. Surrounded by books on Turkish poetry and history, I sipped chai from a tulip-shaped glass, the steam rising like mist over the Bosphorus. An older local struck up conversation, sharing tales of his youth in the old city, how the airport's birth in 2018 symbolized Turkey's leap into the future while honoring its past. As planes roared outside, that quiet exchange felt like discovering a hidden hammam, intimate, enlightening, and utterly transformative. It wasn't just a wait, it was a portal to Istanbul's enduring spirit, reminding me why travel isn't about destinations, but the stories we collect along the way. In wrapping up, mastering Istanbul Airport reshapes you as a traveler. It teaches resilience in its vastness, appreciation for cultural depth in its exhibits, and joy in unexpected delights like a perfect lokum suite. These secrets turn potential stress into inspiration, fueling your wanderlust for the adventures ahead. Whether savoring a meal, zipping through with tech hacks, or soaking in history, you'll emerge more connected to this magical crossroads. What's your ultimate airport secret that turned a layover into a highlight? Share in the comments below.